Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today we will write it guys AppLock setup guys. Friends, you want to set up guys your AppLock in your Infinix phone device, and how can you set up today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So friends, now let's see how can we set up Infinix on my phone AppLock. Open your phone setting and my phone guys. The search bar guys we will on and we will search here guys phone AppLock guys. We will search here guys phone AppLock setting guys. And guys, you can see guys your phone AppLock setting. We will on guys our phone AppLock setting. And friends, first of all we will have to select guys our pattern. So friends, I will select guys any pattern. So example for guys, I will take this U pattern. And friends, you can see app lock will start. So guys, set guys to security question guys, I will take any security question guys. Friends, you can see app lock will start, and app lock will start, and guys you can log guys any app from guys the right side icon guys. You can log guys your app. So guys, you can see I will log YouTube. So guys, when I will use guys my YouTube app, friends, you can see I have guys this app lock. So guys, I will draw pattern to unlock my YouTube app. So like it guys, you want to unlock guys your app. So guys, you can unlock from here. So guys, draw your pattern, and which app guys you want to unlock guys, you can select, and guys you can unlock. So guys, when you will use guys your YouTube app, so friends, I will unlock guys my YouTube. So guys, then guys I will, when I will use guys my YouTube guys, you can see I don't need any password. And friends, you can see guys your phone app lock setting again guys on it. Friends, you want to change guys your app lock password. So friends, you can change from guys the setting option guys, right side guys we will tap here. Friends, you can see change password. So friends, you can change your app lock password from here. I will take this L pattern. So friends, you can see my password will change. So friends, you can see when I will use my AppLock, friends, I have this new password. So like that guys, we can change AppLock setting. And last guys, you don't want to use guys, you want to turn off guys your AppLock setting. So guys, you can off from here. So I will tap here to off it. Then guys, your AppLock will off guys. You can see we cannot use guys. You want to use, you will have to set up again. So like that guys, we can use guys phone AppLock full setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.